Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into a full hands-on review of the Fifine M9 wireless lavalier mic. Just a quick disclaimer, this unit was sent to me by Fifine, but this video is not sponsored, so everything you'll hear today is based on my honest experience and real-world testing. If you're a content creator, blogger, or even a professional looking for a budget-friendly wireless mic system, this might be something worth checking out. Let's get started. Out of the box, you'll get the charging case, two transmitters, one receiver, some cables, wind muffs, and a user manual. The build quality is actually nice for the price. Very compact and lightweight. The case feels solid and doubles as a power bank with a 1200 mAh battery. This got a 4 LED or LED indicators so you will know when it is running low. Sakto siya para sa mga laging on the go, no bulky setup needed. And here's a quick rundown of what the Fifine M9 offers. 2.4G wireless with up to 160 feet range or 50 meters range, 7 hours of battery life per transmitter mic, noise cancellation feature, mono and stereo mode with independent volume controls. Compatible with iPhone, Android, cameras, action cameras, and even laptops. Everything pairs automatically when you take out of the case, and yes, it has a physical mute button and manual pairing if needed. Very plug and play, especially for beginners. Now, here's the real test, the sound quality. Let's do a sample test with no EQ or processing. This is the sound of raw audio coming from the M9 clipped on my shirt, and here's with the noise cancellation turned off. Hello, sound check 1 2 3. So this is the sound of Fifine M9 wireless lavalier microphone without the noise cancellation. And now, let's turn the noise cancellation on using the TRS cable to connect the receiver directly to my camera. Hello, sound check 1 2 3. This is the sound of this Fifine M9 wireless lavalier microphone with the noise cancellation turned on using the TRS cable to USB-C. Okay, real talk. Using the noise cancellation with TRS connection to the camera, medyo sablay. The sound becomes kinda robotic and parang underwater then. It's honestly not usable in most cases. But after testing it further, kapag USB-C to USB-C ang gamit mo or USB-C to Lightning adapter for iPhone 14 and below, mas malinaw yung audio. The noise cancelling works much better, walang robotic or underwater effect. Hello, sound check 1 2 3. This is the sound of this Fifine M9 wireless lavalier microphone using the USB-C to USB-C connection on the receiver to my phone, and I'm using the Lightning audio adapter. So, lesson learned, the type of connection really matters. And now let's proceed to the pros and cons. And for the pros, plug and play na siya with wide device compatibility, longer battery life plus charging case pa, good for a full day operation, dual mic system with mono and stereo options. It has a clear audio when using USB-C to USB-C digital connection. Affordable at $79.99 or around 4,500 Philippine pesos. And for the cons, it has a poor noise cancellation via TRS analog connection. No app to support or advanced settings. Sound can be muddy if placement isn't close to your mouth. And lastly, no internal recording fallback. Overall, for the price point, these cons are forgivable, but they're good to know before buying. So, is the Fifine M9 worth it? If you're a solo creator, vlogger, or online educator looking for a budget mic that delivers decent sound quality, especially when using digital connections, then yes, this is a solid choice. Just keep the analog DRS connection if you're expecting a clean noise cancelled audio. So yun lang muna for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and content creation tips. Let me know in the comments kung ano sa tingin nyo yung features ng Fifine M9 yung pinaka-interested ka, and if you've already tried it, please share your experience down below sa ating comment section and let's help each other out. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.